These cats come in used and dirty, ash and debris from the exhaust coming through them, or oil from turbos. I can clean them out and refurbish them and make it so that their flow is the same or close to the same as it was when they were new. So after I clean them out with the air first, kind of blow the debris out of the way, I'll hook them up to skids. They hold 9 at a time. They were fabbed by our truck build shop specifically for this. So they'll suspend them, and then I can use the crane, the overhead crane, to dip them into the first tank is what I call the agitator tank. It's just full of water. I enjoy this job a ton because when I first started, this whole process was in its kind of newborn phase. I got to toy around with research, design type things that kind of gave me some freedom to grade the procedures, figure out what worked the best. Overall, it's a great company to work for.